Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there are two good news are there in this video. The first one is from TCS and the second one is from Infosys. Now, the first one, friends, TCS has launched free certification courses. Three courses has been launched by TCS, and if you complete this three course, you will be getting three certificates. Friends, recently in Accenture interview, most of the student had done this Accenture certification courses which I had shared, and they were easily able to get selected, and they have even got the offer letter. So don't take it very lightly. These are the courses which are very important, and moreover this certification, this will help you a lot to get a job. I will explain you how to get the certificate, each and everything. Before that, we will also see this Infosys certification program. So friends, few days before I made a video, Infosys finally hiring, right, for system engineer, DSE and SP, and this is through the InfyTQ platform. Now, many of the students were not able to apply, and if you can see here, the link has been disabled, right? So when I made the video, so that time the link was basically enabled. You can see here, right? Just a minute. Okay, so here you see. So it was right. So it was dark pink, and now if you'll see, it has been grayed out. And they have mentioned registration opening soon. So you keep your preparation on. We are in process of making videos for InfyTQ preparation. Okay, and you apply. We will update you once the registration is open. Right? Okay. Now, friends, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon, because we really put a lot of effort in making any kind of videos, either hiring, certification. One video take at least 3 to 4 hours to make, edit, make the thumbnail, upload, each and every process. So we definitely need your support. So just subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be getting all the updates, and we will also feel putting effort here, right? Okay, now, so friends, the first certification courses which we have from the TCS is Career Edge Young Professional. So they have, this is currently free, you can see, and I have already subscribed. So if you have not subscribed, then you will be getting a option to subscribe, right? You can see here. So similarly, like, here it is telling subscribe. So you will be getting not subscribed, right? Communication skill. So here it will be not subscribed. So once you subscribe, you will be able to see. Okay, now, and friends, what you have to do, so definitely you have to log in also. Okay, so once you click on the link, okay, so once you click on the link, basically, so you will be getting this kind of page where you have to log in first, right? I will tell you the complete process. So once you log in, and then you will be able to see. So I will also tell you how to get the certificate and all. Okay, and then you will be able to subscribe. Okay, fine, no problem. So, and then you just go to your dashboard. Okay, so once you go to your dashboard, right, so yeah, how to download the certificate. So if you have completed, then you will be able to see here the certificates, right? So what kind of certificates you have achieved, also in that uh, in the career page you will be able to see. I will show you each and everything. Okay, now you can also go to my product and you can see. So if you have enrolled for career skills, then you will be able to see here. Okay, communication skills, TCS ION. So you can launch from here, right? So you can see get started. So that will be available in my products. All the link will be there in the description itself, right? So you can get started, right? And then so basically it depends, right? So for 1 year it will be enabled. So once you get that, okay, now, so what you have to do, so basically it is expired for me, so now you can enroll right now. Like communication skill, you can see, so you can launch it. Okay, and then this you can see career skills, you can continue it. Now many of the students will say, sir, I am not able to get the certificate. I will tell you the reason. Okay, so I will tell you the reason. So see, this for me, no, the communication skill I have started. Okay, so yeah, it's here. Now if you'll see, so here it is only 33.33%. Okay, now, so why it is 33.33%? Why it is not 100%? That also I will tell you. See what happened. Many of the students will start skipping. So that is 2 weeks, 1 week's course duration are there. So first course overview will be there, right? And then you could see there will be introduction video will be there. So here you see green is there, right? Mark as red. Okay, so already you have read. Now if you go to lessons, okay. So when I clicked on lessons, and then you will see, okay, this module, okay, fine, no problem. Then would you like to, okay, before that, one more time I'll click. So basically what they're saying that we will read. So this module has audio and it is best completed on a device which has a speakers or a headphone. It is also optimized for viewing on a mobile device. To view to full version, please access using a desktop PC or a laptop. So both on mobile and laptop you can see, right? Now here you can see mark as red. So it is no. You cannot make it yes, because here you have to play the complete, right? So here you have to play. Now see, it has started playing, right? And here you will be able to see the percentage. So this is how you have to complete, and this you will be getting green. So basically you have to go through right everything, right? Okay, so mark as green. Okay, next, right? So you still see this lesson is not completed. Okay, so now play. Okay, so once it will play, and right, so you will be keep going with it, and then you have to mark as red, and then you have to move to the next lessons, right? So like this you have to keep doing it, you have to complete it. See, now it is 50%. Okay, so once it becomes 100%, then only you will be able to get it, otherwise you will not be getting the certificate. And then there will be communication skill assessment will be there. So that also I will tell you, right? So how you will be able to complete the assessment test, so that also I'll tell you. So there is some passing marks is there, so that also has to be looked at, right? Okay, fine. So now, okay, so this is still not, you need to complete the, so till then you will not be able to complete it. You could see here, right? So you are not able to proceed. If you go to next, right, then this previous will be not be completed, and here you will not be able to see any update, right? So this you have to be very very careful, right? So once or twice you can do it, there is no problem at all, but everything should be mark as red. Okay, fine. So here you can see, okay, uh okay, so let me anyway see, it is I am even not able to you know increase it, right? Okay, fine. So you have to make it 100%, and then communication skill, you go to communication skill assessment. You can start your test, complete the test. But even though if you complete the test without completing this 100%, you will not be able to get the certificate, right? And from this particular page only, once it completes 100%, your test is completed, you are passed, and then only you will be able to get the certificate, right? So click here to proceed with assessment. So here you will be able to give the quiz. Okay, so I hope I have and there are 3 attempts. So attempt 1 by 3, passing marks is this. So all the timing, deadlines, everything will be given here. Okay, fine. So I hope you have got the idea. And now friends, I wanted to tell you, so pay after placement 100% job assistance, get a salary package of 5 to 41 LPA. Our student work at Google, Flipkart, Amazon, Samsung, Walmart, BharatPe, Paytm, Visa, and many more. Learn fundamental of programming free with live classes. Apply now for free. So the link is in description, and you can apply for free. Only limited seats are available. The next batch starts soon. Hurry, limited seat left. National Skill Development Corporation certified. Learn by doing, build industry relevant projects. Company hiring 300 plus startups and top MNC. So if you really want pay after placement job with 100% job assistance, then click on the link. Okay, click now for free. Okay, you can talk to them, you can understand, and first learn fundamental of programming free with live classes, and then you can go ahead with that. So that's what I wanted to tell you. The link is in description, don't forget to check, and do subscribe and click on bell icon, so that we will be getting all the particular hiring things and all those things, right? Certifications. And also these are the 3 courses are there, right, which I showed you. All the 3 links will be given in the description. Okay, thank you, take care, and all the very very best. Okay, fine. Okay, so one more second, here we could see the percentage, right? Okay, so you have to keep this. There are 31 lessons are there, so please keep completing it. Okay, don't skip it. Thank you.